How to delete your Instagram account permanently, but not sure where the option is? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to find the Instagram account deletion settings step by step. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Next, select Account Center. This is where all your Instagram and Meta account settings are managed. Then, tap on Manage Accounts and select Manage. Now, look for the option called Deactivation or Deletion and tap on it. Here, you will see two options: deactivate your account or permanently delete it. Select Delete Account, then tap Continue. At this point, Instagram may show some warnings or suggestions based on your activity. Just read them carefully and proceed by tapping Continue. Now, choose a reason why you want to delete your account. This step is required before moving forward. After that, scroll down and tap Continue again. Once you reach the final screen, you will see the Delete Confirmation option. Now, here's the important part. You don't actually have to complete the deletion. You can simply stop here or go back if you're just checking the process or learning the steps. And that's how you can access the Instagram account deletion option inside Settings. So, yeah, that's the full process explained clearly and step by step.